Hello and welcome back again to Research Circle. As you can see on the thumbnail, the topic for today's discussion is top 7 journals for free publication in the field of management. So, in this particular video, we are going to discuss all the top 7 free journals which is related to the field of management. So, let's get started. As we are know, thousands of peer-reviewed journals available in the area of business and management, but very few hundreds of the journals only indexed in the Scopus database. Okay, so there is the Scopus is the number of one abstract and citation database as peer-reviewed journals, which contain more than 70 million items like scientific articles, conference proceeding, book chapters, lectures and notes, and etc. So, identifying the top journals is difficult work when most of the top journals such as Sage, Elsewhere, Wiley and Springer are performs very well in the terms of citation and quality of the review process. So here in this particular video, we are going to discuss the top 7 Scopus Index particularly journals in the field of management. So let's get started directly to as you can see on your screen, the first journal is Academy of Management Annals. This is again the editors you can see on your screen, and the journals has a ISBN number as this is ISSN number as mentioned. Academy of Management is a published up-to-date, in-depth and interrogative review of research advances in management, often called reviews with an attitude. So annals papers summarize and or challenge established assumptions and concepts. Then reviews published in annals move above and beyond a description of the field. They motivate conceptual integration and the set of agendas for the future research. The second journal in the list is Sage journals, or we can say Journal of Management. Here you can see the impact factor of this particular journal is 7.728, and in the journal information you can see this, and this is a peer-reviewed and published bi-monthly, and is committed to publish scholarly, empirical and theoretical research articles that have a high impact on management fields as a whole. And Journal of Management covers domains such as business strategies and policies, entrepreneurship, human resource management, organizational behavior and organizational theory research methods. Okay, so let's get move to the next journal. The next in the list is Organizational Science. This is impact factor of 7.376. It is a bi-monthly peer-reviewed academic journals published by the Institute for Operational Research and the Management Sciences. It covers research on the dynamic organizations, and as you can see in your screen, you can directly check out the impact factor here, and 5-year impact factor also has been mentioned. The next in the list is Journal of Accounting and Economics. Now this journal encourages the application of economic theory to explanation of accounting phenomena. It provides a forum for the publication of highest quality manuscripts which are economic analysis of accounting problems. Impact factor is 7.298, and this is also the journal listed under Scopus from 2020 to 2020. Okay, the next in the list is Journal of Marketing. Okay, this is also a Sage publication, is empirical research that extends or builds management theories or contributes to the management practices. All empirical methods including but not limited to qualitative, quantitative, field laboratory, meta-analytics and many more. This is to be published. The research must have a strong empirical and theoretical contribution. Again, you can check the journal information here in the next. Here is also public the Sage journals, that is Journal of Marketing Research. This is about the disseminates knowledge about the real world marketing questions relevant to the scholar, educator, market managers, consumers, policy makers. Also the impact factor is having 6.465. You can also check about this journal here, and you can also submit if you want your article. Here are the latest options as well, latest article, most read and most cited as well. The last in this today's list is MIS Quarterly, that is Management Information Science Systems. Is a quarterly peer-reviewed academic journal that covers the research in the management, information systems, and information technology as well. Impact factor is 6.251. Again, there are the instructions, and you can submit the manuscript from here directly. So this was the list for today's topic, and we are coming with the more videos like this, that is top 7 journals in various fields. So stay tuned to Research Circle channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, do not forget to subscribe to Research Circle channel. Thank you so much.